Hello and welcome to Ben Max Motors. Here today we have a 2016 Ford Grand C-Max, which is a 1.5 diesel manual in grey. Comes with just short of 77,000 miles on this clock, with full service history with 7 stamps and 3 being main dealer. Only £35 road tax. Sits on some lovely 16-inch alloys. It's a 7-seater, very spacious, helps with the sliding doors on the back when you're in them tight spaces. Just moving on to the interior. So all electric windows, electric mirrors, auto door locking. And as you can see there, just short of 77,000 miles on the clock there, with 76,697 miles. Steering controls. Comes with the Sat-Nav. Phone connectivity.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Digital radio. All the controls there for that. Dual air conditioning. It's a 6-speed manual. Comes with a manual handbrake, 2 cup holders which are adjustable, armrest with extra storage underneath, with an extra cup holder down there at the bottom. Also comes with the SD and USB input there as well. 12-volt socket here at the front. Just come with the auto stop start feature. Height adjustable front seat. And there's them sliding doors. Plenty of space and room to get in. These are a 40-20-40 split back seats, so each seat comes down individually with height adjustable headrests. Extra storage on the back of the front seats. As you can see, plenty of space. The back seats still slide forward and back as well. Moving into the boot. Plenty of space with them seats down, but as you can see, here and here, these seats still come up to make it the 7-seater. It's also come with a retractable parcel shelf. If I can get it to work. There we go. Nice smooth motion with the back doors, locking in place. Height adjustable back seats also. So the back 2 seats also come with the height adjustable headrests. Nice clean vehicle, been well looked after by its previous owner. Does come with 2 keys and 6 months warranty. And there we are, 2016 Ford Grand C-Max, 1.5 diesel manual in grey. Just short of 77,000 miles on the clock and with a full service history. Thank you for watching.